In this video's review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this video template software. Viddyoze is a video application with a ton of ready-to-go video templates. As soon as we log in and come over to the dashboard, we can see the wide array of video templates. We can select the ratio, so we can select it to all. We can select portrait. These will work really well for social media or anything intended for a smartphone. There's landscape, and then finally there's square, which will work good for Instagram and similar applications. At the top as well, we do have a search bar where we can search for particular templates. For example, we could search for YouTube, and then as we can see there, we've got an array of different templates coming up. I'm going to go ahead and customize this YouTube social booster outro. We just click on customize there. So we have the options to upload a video screenshot and a channel image. If we click on there, we can upload our own file, or we can also choose from the library, Pexels, Unsplash, or Pixabay. I'm going to go ahead and upload a file. So I've uploaded both my pictures, so I'm going to go ahead and go on to continue, and we've got loads of customization options here. So we've first got YouTube video title, we've got our YouTube channel name, we've got our number of subscribers, our number of video views, our number of video likes, our number of video dislikes, our balloon text, our second balloon text and our third balloon text, our comment field text, and our end title. Once we've inputted them, if we click continue, so here we can select our audio. It does come with a default track there, but you do have the options for hip hop, SFX, hip hop music only, hip hop, or the default, which I think I'm going to go for today. Once we're happy, if we click on preview, once we've clicked on create, if we go over to my videos next to templates, we'll see that it shows up there. At the moment it's preparing our media. Whilst we wait for that to render, I'm going to go ahead and make another video template. We do also have some more options. If we click on filters here, we can filter it by duration. We can select all, 1 to 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds, or longer. There's also customization options where we can select upload logo, add text, colors and branding, fonts, and audio. And we can also filter it by the number of images and logos, and that's 1 all the way up to 20. Next to filters, we have sort by, where we can sort by most popular, newest, oldest, and relevance. And also right at the top, we do have a tutorial section in case we needed any help with anything. Now, as we can see on the left-hand side sidebar here, we can filter it by different genres of template. For example, we could look on intro or live action. I'm going to go for live action, and I'm going to try out the city billboards night. So if we go and customize there, same as before, we can upload our own image or choose an image. Click continue, choose our audio, and click preview. We do have a preview image of what we've created there, and then we can go ahead and click create. Now that our video is finished rendering, we can download it. We just click on here, select MP4, and that will save to our computer. If I just click on it to show you, so this is our template, the YouTube social booster outro. And there we go. And that's just about everything. So what did I think of Viddyoze? Well, I really enjoyed using Viddyoze. It had a wide array of templates and a great amount of options to filter those templates. It made something like creating a YouTube intro or outro really simple. I would definitely recommend Viddyoze, and it's something I can see myself using in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.